Okay, so one of the most frustrating parts about buying clothes is trying to see how you look in them. It's one thing to go to a store and try something on, but you can't really tell. You have to bring a friend or just buy something that you'll eventually return later when somebody gives you a comment that they don't like it. All of those hassles are a thing of the past. Imagine if you can just drop an outfit onto a picture of yourself, and then it shows you exactly what you will look like, or even create an outfit from a crazy idea that you might have. See how the inspiration of your favorite anime character, or even your favorite fruit, will have an effect on what kind of dress you can even design, or what kind of outfit you can design. Yes, I said fruit. Keep watching and I'm gonna show you all about this new tool. This is a no-brainer for fashion designers. If you are new to the channel, my name is Ben Silverman and I come from the traditional film and television world, but I've been heads down for the past year learning artificial intelligence and the tools that are coming out allowing creators to gain superpowers. I started a company called Seeded with a goal to make AI more accessible for creatives and creators. These videos are really for everyone, but especially beginners who don't really know where to start and want a place where they feel like it is okay to learn at their own pace. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to the page if you find any of this information useful. It'll really help me out and help out the channel. And please comment with any other videos you might want to see. And if you want to really keep up with your learning, head over to my newsletter and sign up. I send out an email newsletter once a week, and I keep you updated with everything going on in AI. Okay, the tool is called Outfit Anyone. Now I've included a link in the description. Right? Once you come to the site, you will see an image of a few models. And right here, you can choose which model you want to use. And over here, you'll see a few outfits. You'll see a top garment and a bottom garment. And it is just as easy as taking a garment and dragging it onto an image, and then taking another garment and dragging it onto the lower image. And once you do that, you literally just hit run, and then you wait for a second, and then what it does is it populates that image of this top and this bottom into an image with the model. And that is that. I personally am not a fan of this dress, but that's just me. Right now you can only use the models that they have. You can't upload a picture of yourself. I think it just is there to show you how it can be and how it will be someday. Now, I come down a little bit and you see what I was talking about before. Here is an image of our model. Here is a pineapple, and this is what a pineapple dress could look like on this model. And then if you go down a little bit, you can have some choices to try other bits. So for instance, if you're going to Comic-Con and you like your favorite character and you want to see what you would look like as your favorite anime character, it is as easy as just trying it out to see if that is something that you would want to spend the time looking like. Or even something like this. Now it's really interesting, and I'm sure you can use your imagination to see where it can go from here. But the idea is that you can actually see what you would look like in something. And if it feels right or if it doesn't, if you like it. They also, there is also an application out there called Animate Anyone. And they're going to be able to take this image of this person and even maybe put it into a walk cycle, right? Or you can dance in it, see how you would look like in this outfit dancing. If you're a costumer, right, you would be able to have a look at something and at least see if you can be inspired by it, or if you want to go and take so much time down the rabbit hole of actually designing something for, say, an actor or an actress, or a musician, or if you even want to just go out on the town for a night and see what all of your friends would like to look like together. It's literally endless. So just think about all of the applications, all of the use cases, and I think you're gonna see that this type of technology and this type of fashion technology is going to only become more and more available. I know something has already been out there where you can put yourself in front of a mirror and see what you're going to look like. But as it gets more dialed in, it's going to be better and better and better. So check it out, see it for yourself, And I hope this was helpful and it was interesting to know what is coming up. And again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.